So my freezer's freezing up and my refrigerator gets full of condensation if we put anything hot inside of here. Manufacturing date 2007 Kenmore. There's some major inefficiency going on. This is gonna be so gross. Oh my God, it's just solid fuzz. So, you know, cleaning the coils is gonna be a bit of a challenge, because see how it zigzags all the way to the back? Ugh, can't believe I let it go this long. This is so gross. And that's my floor. We're looking at the floor back there. That is just disgusting. Ugh, nightmare fuel, dude. All right, I got this cleaned up well enough. I feel comfortable getting back here to work on these things. So we're gonna take off this back like cardboard cover. We're gonna take all those off. We'll see what all we can reach from this side. And I'm really not so sure how to clean these without leaning the fridge backwards. All right, emptied out the refrigerator part, left the frozen foods in there, but now I can get a good look at these grates. All right, so where we stand is I got the fan blade clean so it can move air a little easier. And then I also have the coils looking pretty good. They're not perfect, but they're way better than they were. And the little piece of insulation is just so messed up. It's folded up and I'm just gonna lose it. But I can feel air being drawn past my hand here. And then over here, I feel the air getting blown out. So we're drawing air across the coil again. That should drastically increase the efficiency, resolve our problem, and then save some money on electricity. All right, so I'm running the fan to defrost everything, but I found the problem. So this is where the cold air goes from the freezer to the refrigerator, and it is blocked solid full of ice. So defrosting is definitely what needs to happen. All right, so for an hour, I have had the fan blowing in here with all the stuff worked off, and we are thawed out. When I shove my finger in here, there's no moisture, there's no ice. We're gonna put it back together. Our refrigerator is about to work again. All right, taking care of deferred maintenance has fixed all the problems. Everything in here is nice and cold. The freezer is no longer making frost. Don't know if we can see it. And with the air that comes out, it's all like a cloud. Replace that light bulb. Very good.